Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to spotting problems like overcharging or restrictions in your HVAC system before they turn into costly repairs. So, superheat is all about how much the refrigerant heats up after it turns into a gas, and subcooling is how much the refrigerant cools down after it's condensed back into a liquid. If you notice high subcooling, that usually means your system might be overcharged with refrigerant, or there could be a blockage somewhere like a liquid line restriction. Another common cause is poor airflow over the condenser coil. If the air can't flow right, the refrigerant won't cool properly, which messes with subcooling. To check this, you can measure the temperature differences at different points using a gauge set or thermometer, just like a pro technician would. If you catch these early signs, you can avoid bigger headaches like compressor damage or inefficient cooling. Also, keep your condenser coil clean and make sure your refrigerant levels are spot on during regular maintenance. Trust me, paying attention to these details saves you money and stress down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with superheat and subcooling is ignoring signs of an overcharged system. This can cause your AC to work harder and waste energy. Another common issue is mistaking poor airflow for refrigerant problems, so always check your condenser fan and coil for dirt or blockages before adding refrigerant. Lastly, many folks forget to use the right tools or take accurate measurements, which leads to wrong adjustments. Make sure you're using proper gauges and following manufacturer guidelines to get it right. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with people who really need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.